Hey friends, if you wish to change sound settings on Windows 11 to get a better audio, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to select the correct output device. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select sound in the right pane and make sure that you're connected to the right output device, like you can connect to the headphones or the speakers. The second one is to adjust the volume. Now I'll tell you about it. You can increase the volume using the output volume using this option here, or you can click on this icon, scroll down and change volumes using volume mixer for separate entities, separate applications. The next solution is to update the sound drivers. How would you update the sound drivers? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each driver and select update driver. Do it for all the sound drivers. And lastly, enable or disable mono audio. Now let me explain what this is. We went to the sound section. You'll find a switch for mono audio. If you turn it on, both the speakers will give the same amount of audio, and if you turn it off, it will adjust the left and right speaker accordingly. If you're playing games or something for which you need spatial audio, then you can turn it off. If you want to combine the left and right audio channels into one, then turn it on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.